Wait, you can now create your own wig? Yes, you can with the new QueenB Pre-Knot Lace Cap. Whether you use braiding or crochet hair, style your cap without stressing your scalp or hair. The high-quality, super soft double lace feels silky against your skin. It's 100% handmade and is great for cancer fighters and alopecia patients. The non-slip strap helps to secure your style, making it a glueless lace cap. The cap comes in 5 styles. There are 2 parting sections, square or triangle, and 2 colors, natural or blonde. The new QueenB Pre-Knot Lace Cap by Urban Beauty, available at your local beauty supply store.